Sandeep Metal Works. Sandeep Steel Industries has been in business since 1980. 4 decades, solid reputation, but they wanted to build something new, a separate brand from zero. That brand is Sandeep Metal Works, and we built it. Launching a new brand in the steel and metal space is not a design project, it's a positioning project. No identity, no website, no digital presence, no audience. Starting from the scratch. While an established 40-year business runs alongside it, the challenge was not just visibility, it was building trust for a brand nobody had heard of yet. We started with the 90-day growth plan, then built Sandeep Metal Works from the ground up, new brand identity, new logo, new website built specifically for this brand, not borrowed from the parent business. Video production shot on iPhone, product focus, practical, built for steel supplier content that actually gets watched. WhatsApp marketing, 3 campaigns every week without a gap, not mass blasting. Structured campaign ideas built around what procurement heads actually respond to. 16,000 plus messages sent. Consistent follow-up, automated sequences, a revenue system running every single week. 43% more revenue per month. For a brand that didn't exist before we built it. 3 campaigns a week, every week compounding. That is what a structured system does for a new B2B brand entering an established market. If you're launching a new brand in steel, metals or manufacturing and you need to generate revenue, not just look good, that is exactly what we built. Win with strategy. DM us or click the link in bio right now.